Hi everybody, I'm Susan from Senior Style. We're having a great day. Not too bad in BC today. We went out and had a little coffee. We were going to go to the Edmonton Mall, but me and hubby got sick, so we had to cancel our plans, unfortunately. But we are on the mend, so there you go. But in the meantime, I got my Pandora shipped in the box here. No frills anymore. Alright, let me go ahead and unbox it for you. Alright. It comes in a box like that. No pouch, no tissue paper. Yeah. Alright, they give you a return. They give you a visit us online, and you just do the little code there. Makes it easier for you to shop, and then your invoice. Alright, I did get a box, so that's good. And make sure you subscribe to my channel, because when I hit 500 subscribers, I'm going to be doing a Loungefly giveaway. That's going to be Disney themed. So all you have to do is subscribe. And make sure you like, share, comment, all that fun stuff. Alright, let's go ahead and see what I got. Alright, this is called the Cute Caterpillar. It's very, very cool. This always sells out online. They don't have it in the store. And basically you just clip it on your bracelet, and it's a little pink caterpillar. And it just kind of wraps around. It's part of the spring collection, which is pretty cool. And I've been trying to get this one for like a long time, because it keeps, every time you put it in the cart to check out, it sells out. So you can't even like get it off the website. Just kind of weird, but anyways, that's my little cute caterpillar. And I'll put some pictures on Instagram, so make sure you follow me at Susan Senior Style. And that's my Pandora unboxing for today. Alright, thanks for stopping by, and I hope everybody has a great day. Thanks for watching Susan from Senior Style with the senior point of view. Thanks again, guys. Bye.